So I might have done something really impulsive and I have acquired, well, without putting it any other way, this. It is a, well, used to be a Northern Pacific business car, or supposedly built 1886. And I'm gonna try and fix it up. So obviously I got this thing for a deal. It's in pretty rough shape. It suffered a fire damage to the roof at one point. So that's going to be a whole replacement part of this project. Obviously the floor has some issues too. But when you got it for the price that I got it for, obviously there's going to be some problems. The idea is basically I'm going to gut this thing, take the roof off of it, fix the floor, fix the walls, put the roof back on, then rebuild the inside. Alrighty, about 20 minutes into cleaning out the inside, and just a whole ton of debris. I'm trying to save as many of the paneling, original paneling and trim so that I can recreate it later on. I mean, you have to understand how beautiful this car used to be. I mean, just look at that wood trim, and then you have the stained glass pieces up here. Some of which I've managed to save. Regarding the trash pile, I am going to come back at some other point and clean all of that up. But for now, the goal is, well, at least for today, just to clean out this inside, get some measurements to be able to put a tarp over this thing before winter comes by, and just continue plugging away from there. Right, it's about 11:15 now. Got here at... what time did I get here? I mean, I could just check the timestamp on the other video. Besides the point, really, really warm out today. It's already 84 degrees, 11 o'clock, but I can't actually turn the camera on, so we'll stop recording, start recording again. As I was saying, made some more progress. And holy smokes, there's an actual floor in here. Not a safe floor, but there is a floor. It's all just shredded, really, really old pieces of wood. I think because of the heat, I'm gonna have to call it today after I clean out that pile, get my measurements, and go find somewhere cool to hide. Alrighty, there we go. The back observation room is cleaned out. God, flies everywhere too now. Saving those parts because it still has some hardware on them. Might be good for templates later on. But obviously, I mean, I think the car's about 85 feet long. There's a lot of work still yet to do. Going all the way back.